In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. To delete the junk files from your HUAWEI, you don't need to download any app. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll to hit Storage section available here, between Battery and Security. Then hit Cleanup, wait, and hit Cleanup next to junk files. Don't worry, it won't delete any needed files, any photos or any app, just the junk files from your phone. So hit Cleanup and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!